If you've been looking for a low-cost business with no franchise fees and great potential profits, you've just found it. It's the trash bin cleaning business. Bin cleaning is simple, and it's a low-cost business to get started. It requires nothing more than hard work and the right equipment, and will produce good profits for your efforts. There are millions of waste bins. Just look around on garbage day. With the rise of separating food waste for composting and recycling, most households now have several bins. Garbage bins, recycling bins, yard waste bins, food waste bins, and they're all dirtier than ever. Dirty waste bins are one of the most unhygienic items in any home, and cleaning them is one of those jobs that all of us know we should do, but rarely, if ever, get around to doing, because without the right equipment, it's a gross job. This has created a demand for bin cleaning companies, who will get the dirty job done for a modest price. Bin cleaning is still so new, you'll most likely be able to find an area close to you that no one else is servicing. This is a fantastic opportunity to get into a fast-growing business on the ground floor and secure the area you want to be in. You'll need a truck or trailer and bin cleaning equipment. Once you've paid for your initial startup costs, the overhead is low, especially if you do the cleanings yourself. You can work the hours you choose to suit your lifestyle and income requirements. This is a business that can easily be structured around family. It's a business that can be operated part-time or full-time and makes an excellent home-based business. In the last 10 years, most communities have changed over to the standardized waste bins, and there are more changes on the way. In order to reduce the amount of waste going into our landfills, separating and collecting organic waste, such as food scraps and yard waste, is quickly becoming an even bigger deal. More communities are making collecting organics mandatory all the time. The only downside to organic composting is that the containers get really dirty, and pretty stinky too. Raw scraps of food are sitting for up to a week at a time in direct contact with the waste bins. Frequent and thorough cleaning is the only remedy. This creates a significant opportunity for bin cleaning companies, and it's only going to get better as time goes on. Most bin cleaning businesses offer a variety of service levels: one-time cleanings, monthly service. For communities that have food waste organic bins, weekly and bi-weekly services are popular. Keep in mind, it's going to take some time to build your business, but once you get going, the recurring revenue from repeat customers adds up fast. With bin wash systems, you can keep costs low and profit margins high. Visit binwashsystems.com to learn more about our equipment.